In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your CamScanner app to the latest version. So by updating your CamScanner app, you'll be able to fix a lot of bugs and errors associated with the older version of CamScanner. Now to do it, it is quite simple. If you are using an Android smartphone, then you need to do it through Google Play Store. However, if you are using an iPhone, then you need to access it via App Store. Now for my case, I'm on Android smartphone, so I'll just proceed and go to Google Play Store and look for my CamScanner app to get started. So if I go to Google Play Store here and then tap on it, I can go ahead and search for CamScanner just up here, and here is the app. Now if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see there is an update that is available. This means that I've been using an outdated version of CamScanner. To update it, just proceed and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of CamScanner, and then it will install it straight away. And once the installation is done, now we shall have the latest CamScanner app on the smartphone. And as you can see, now the update is done, and now we can proceed and open the app. So that's how you update your CamScanner app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.